cooperative, kind, virtual scholars. Ready? Marshall.
Rocks!
Marshall.
Rocks!
When I say Marshall, you say rocks. Marshall. Marshall. When I say Marshall, you say rocks. Marshall. Marshall.
So the first thing is that we're going to be doing, as you can see, we are here in the quarantine. First, you have to wear a mask. You do not want to get sick, or do you? But next, you have to be 6 feet away people. And that is everything you have to be responsible for.
Hello, this is Julian Alvarez from Channel 5. So we are in a pandemic and we must do distance learning. 3 responsible things to do in distance learning is first, attend all Google Meets. Second, pay attention to your teacher. Third, do your assignments. So we have more news about a kid that is named Jake that is being responsible. That's next. Oh, hello, Julian. Yes, I am a responsible kid. My teacher told me that I'm doing all my assignments, I'm attending school, and yeah, I am a responsible kid. Well, that's my feedback. But thank you, Jake, for your response, and you can try your best. You can also be responsible. See you next time in Channel 5. Bye.
First, you're gonna charge your laptop the day before, and then you're gonna have your books ready and all your school supplies.
Now I will identify optimistic. An optimistic person is someone who works together with their classmates and does something good. That's optimistic.
How to be cooperative. You charge your computers or tablets, you be on time, get your stuff ready, and turn your assignments in time. To be kind, respectful, and no bullying, no doing mean things. So, guys, please do nice things in the world. Please. We need peace to the world.
Hi, my name is Ideri, and I choose to be scholarly because when I'm in class, I have to be in a different place, and I make sure I do all my assignments and I turn them in all.
Hi, everyone. I hope you had a great week learning how to be a Marshall rock star. Thank you all the teachers, students, and staff for making this week a great one. Bye.